Vintage condominiums in Japan can be very attractive. They often have character, good locations, and unique designs that you may not find in newer buildings. But buying an older condominium can also come with unexpected problems. So what should you check before buying? First, tax benefits and energy efficiency. Japan's 2026 tax reforms expanded some benefits for existing homes. If a used home meets certain energy efficiency requirements, the mortgage tax deduction period can be extended to 13 years. However, simply renovating an old condominium after purchase does not necessarily qualify it for the longer deduction period. So it is important to check the property's energy efficiency status before buying. Second, hidden problems such as aging pipes. A condominium may look beautiful after renovation, but the pipes behind the walls or in common areas could still be decades old. This means you should check the building's repair history, long-term repair plan, and, when appropriate, consider a home inspection. Third, noise and insulation. Older condominiums were built according to the standards of their time. Some may have weaker sound, insulation or thermal insulation than modern buildings. You might hear footsteps from upstairs, traffic noise from outside, or find that the apartment is difficult to keep warm or cool. These problems can be expensive or even impossible to completely fix. Another important issue is renovation restrictions. You may have a beautiful renovation plan in mind, but condominium management rules can limit what you can change. Moving bathrooms or changing floors may require approval. Older buildings may also contain asbestos, which can make renovation more complicated and expensive. And if the building has a mechanical parking system, check the height and width limits. Your SUV or minivan may not fit in an older parking system. So, what can you actually fix? You can often improve insulation, interior design, and some private unit plumbing through renovation. But you cannot easily change the location, sunlight, building-wide management, or the overall structure of the condominium. That leads to one important rule. Fix what you can. Carefully choose what you cannot. Before buying a vintage condominium in Japan, check the repair history, management rules, structural condition, insulation and soundproofing, parking restrictions, and future repair plans. A beautiful vintage condominium can be a great home, but its charm should never replace careful due diligence. If you're considering buying property in Japan, understanding both the character and the hidden risks of older condominiums is essential.